A gated entrance welcomes you down the long tree-lined private drive to an extraordinary opportunity. Here you'll discover a luxurious estate featuring architectural design reminiscent of Timberline Lodge in a tranquil, serene, and private setting. This home, with more than 8,700 square feet of spectacular living space, is situated on nearly 40 acres, with nearly 30 acres in timber deferral. This masterfully crafted home is designed for the best in indoor and outdoor living, with warm and inviting spaces. From the moment you enter, you'll find exceptional craftsmanship throughout. The open floor plan showcases the warm and inviting interior with high-beam ceilings and Australian cypress hardwood floors. This thoughtfully designed home offers effortless entertaining, and you can relax by the floor-to-ceiling fireplace. The sensational kitchen features 2 islands, granite and quartz countertops, top-of-the-line Sub-Zero and Decor appliances, including a 6-burner gas range with 2 ovens, a wall oven, a warming drawer, and 2 dishwashers and 2 microwaves. It opens to a large pantry with a separate sink. Double doors open to the handsome office with extensive built-ins. The main floor master suite is a private retreat with a coffee and tea station, its own fireplace, a huge walk-in closet, and direct access to a covered outdoor living space. The sumptuous master bath features dual powder rooms with fine finishes, a luxurious jetted tub, a large shower, and a relaxing sauna. Enjoy your home theater and its high-quality cinema seating. Or take advantage of this convenient exercise space with a loft. On the upper level, you'll find more fantastic spaces for entertaining or relaxing with friends and family. It's complete with a kitchen, a private entrance, game room, and a guest suite. Another inviting outdoor living space provides more entertaining options and gorgeous views. Expansive lawns are perfect for family fun, hosting romantic weddings or large or small gatherings. There's also plenty of room for all of your toys with a large shop, abundant storage, and RV parking. Other features include automatic irrigation, smart house technology, surround sound, and central vac. Living here, you're close to skiing at Mount Hood, fabulous fishing, and it's just 45 minutes to downtown. An exceptional estate, offering the best in Northwest luxury living. It's all here waiting for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Sue Stencil with Wise Move Real Estate at 503-780-6619.